This is a tutorial on how to complete the Authorization to Administer Medication form for students who participate in the Santa Cruz County Outdoor Science School program. If you would like your child to receive over-the-counter and/or prescription medication while they are at the Outdoor Science School, then this form is required. Step 1 is to make sure you write in your child's last name, first name, and date of birth here at the top of the form. Let's zoom in on the section just below their name and date of birth. Here you will see a list of over-the-counter medications. These are the medications that we have in supply in our health office. If your child does not take any prescription medication and you do not want your child to receive any of these over-the-counter medications if or when needed, then you will check the no box and you do not need to do anything else on this form. In order for your child to receive any of the medications that are listed, for example, if they have a headache or a stomach ache during their stay with us, you will need to check the yes box, and you will also need to sign the form at the bottom. When you check this yes box and sign at the bottom, you are authorizing the health staff to administer only the medication listed here on this form. Authorization to administer any over-the-counter medication that is not listed here on this form will require a physician's orders and signature. To authorize certain over-the-counter medications listed here but not others, you will cross out the medications that you do not want your child to be eligible to receive, and then check the yes box. Some common examples of over-the-counter medications that do still require a physician's signature are the ones that you can see here: allergy medication, nose sprays, eye drops. Also, if your child takes prescription medication and you will be sending them medication with them to be taken while they are at the Outdoor Science School, then physician's orders and signatures are required. So you will need to bring this form to your child's physician's office and ask them to complete the section titled "To be completed and signed by the student's physician." This will give us at the Outdoor Science School the necessary information for authorization to administer their medication. Let's take a closer look at the portion your child's physician will need to complete. Your child's physician will need to thoroughly complete this section, including the name of the medication, the dosage, the method of administration, the time of day it is to be administered, and the condition for the given medication. They will repeat these steps for each medication that your child will be taking. If your child has an inhaler or an EpiPen, their physician should first fill out the orders as they would for all other medications. In addition, your child's physician will need to complete the section below. They will check the yes box if your child has permission to carry the inhaler or EpiPen at all times. If your child may not have permission to carry their inhaler or EpiPen, then the physician will check the no box. If the no box is checked, or if neither box is checked, your child will not have permission to carry their inhaler or EpiPen with them at all times. These medications will then be kept with their outdoor science educator when they are out on trail and in the health office when they are on campus. As a side note, if your child will carry their inhaler or EpiPen with them during transportation to the Outdoor Science School, the health supervisors will meet briefly with your child when they arrive on our site to process their medication they are carrying and ensure that they have the proper physician's authorization so they can continue to keep it with them while they participate in our program. Finally, after filling out the orders, your child's physician must sign at the bottom of this section. So now that we've learned about which medications need a physician's signature and a parent-guardian signature, and which medications need just a parent-guardian signature, let's cover what you need to know about properly preparing your child's medication for Outdoor Science School. You can find some of this information I'm about to go over already on the form here. Medication must be in the original container, which means do not send medication in pre-dosed pill organizers, and do not send medication loose in a plastic bag. Medication must not be expired. For prescription medications, the prescription label must contain the following information: the student's name, the prescribing physician's name, the name of the medication, and the dosage. It is okay if the prescribing physician on the prescription label is different than the physician who completed the orders on this form. However, the dosage information on the prescription label must match the written physician's orders on this form. So moving on to the bottom of the form, we're going to zoom in on the parent-guardian authorization and signature section. A parent-guardian signature is required for both over-the-counter and prescription medications. This is very important. Do not forget this part. So a few other important things that you'll need to know about packing your child's medication. Pack enough medication for 2 extra days in case of emergency, accidental loss, or damage. Put your child's medication in its original container, of course, inside of a Ziploc or brown paper bag, and label the bag with your child's name. Medication must be given to your child's classroom teacher on the morning of departure from your child's school. Do not pack medication in your child's luggage. And that's it. You did it. Completing this form properly will ensure that your child's medication will be processed smoothly and efficiently, and that they will be able to receive their medication without delay. Thank you so much for your time. If you have any questions, you can contact our program at the numbers and the email address here. We really look forward to having your child with us.